Hello friends, this is part 5 of web application development series ordered and unordered list. In this session we will learn creating ordered and unordered list in HTML. So what is an ordered list? Ordered list is a list in which list items appears in incremental order. For example, 1 is red, second is green, third is blue. OL stands for ordered list is the tag for creating ordered list. For example, OL, then OL start tag, then LI stands for list item. First list item is red, then list item close. This is list item beginning, this is list item close, then list item beginning green, list item close, then blue, and finally OL tag, OL tag closing. Okay, let us understand this with an example. So this is the previous example that we were working with. We had set the title my cool title. Now in the body is having head 1 important note. I'll remove all of this. Okay, I'll for a heading I will have one heading like colors. Okay, and as I said, for ordered list the tag is OL for ordered list, then OL end, then list item li beginning tag, then color name, let us say red, then li I say green, then I set li blue. Okay, save it and launch it with live server. See, it is looking like this. One is two, one is red, second is green, third is blue. And what is an unordered list? An unordered list is a list in which list item appears in bullet points. For example, red, green, blue. As we can see, these colors are appearing in the bullet points. This is called it as unordered list in HTML because they are not having any order. So how they are created? They are created by using the tag UL. This tag UL stands for unordered tag. So how, for example, UL, then a list item red, list item green, list item blue, then UL tag closing. Okay, so let us see that with an example. So this is my previous example. I'll change it like ordered colors. Okay, ordered list colors. Let us say list ordered list example and remove this colors example, and I'll copy this and paste it just below, and I'll change it to unordered list example. And what I will do is I will change this tag from OL to UL, and same for closing tag also. And this list item is common for either ordered list or unordered list. Okay, save our changes and see on the browser. See the difference. Okay, this is the ordered list example that is appearing in 1 2 3. This unordered list example that is appearing in bullet points. If you see the page source of this page, view page source, just ignore this part. This part is actually injected by live server that we are using. This is what that we have to think of. See, there is one head section now as well. My cool title in body, we can see this the HTML that we have written there, and this web browser is converting this web page into converting this HTML into this web page. Okay, in the next session we'll learn adding comments and nesting of tags. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching and have a great day.